After coming home from outside from a freezing temperature, I had no feeling of cooking or doing any chore. But I had to. So I was looking for a very quick recipe. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today I made Achari Chicken Kheema. This was very simple as I had no intention of cooking at all. Only this recipe seemed the easiest to me. So here I had 1 pound of chicken keema. I used chili flakes, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, chaat masala, chicken cube, fenugreek seeds, onion seeds, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste. This recipe hardly needs any chopping or dicing. It's basically just mixing the ingredients and sauteing everything together. So I started with sauteing chicken keema and then added some ginger garlic paste to it and sauteed it again until it changed its color. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make achari chicken for those lazy days, but today I had only chicken keema available. As you can see, I'm making sure that chicken does not stick to the bottom of the pan, and I keep stirring. Now I added some ginger garlic paste and sauteed it on medium heat until the chicken changed its color. Let me know in the comments below which country are you watching from. As you can see, the chicken has started to change its color. The chicken is sauteed very well. And now I'm going to add all the spices. I just dumped all the spices together. You will notice that I did not use salt in this recipe because I find that chaat masala and chicken cube has already enough salt in it. So that's why I don't add extra salt. Usually it's not needed. The first time I made this recipe, I also added some salt and it turned out very salty. So after that, I have never added salt to any of my achari chicken or achari beef recipes. I always wait until the end of cooking this recipe after I adjust the consistency of the gravy. Now I added some yogurt. This is just plain yogurt. And I sauteed it really well. Meanwhile, I grinded some tomatoes with 2 green chilies. And I added this to my keema. Isn't this such an easy recipe? I love it because I don't have to chop or dice anything. Now I let the tomatoes cook. I am maintaining the stove heat on medium-low temperature. and now I covered and cooked it. As you can see, it has started to release the oil. I did not have the serrano peppers, but I had some jalapenos. So I roughly sliced and de-seeded these peppers. I de-seeded because these were really spicy in taste, and because I have already added chili flakes and red chili powder in my achari spices. So that's why I decided to de-seed these. If you want, you can keep the seeds. And then I added these into my keema. I covered and cooked it for another few minutes until the peppers softened. You can add some water at this point to adjust the consistency. My Achari Chicken Kheema was ready. I served this Achari Chicken Kheema with naan and salad. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!